All right, to build a coffee flight on your mobile device, you can scroll down through all the coffees if you wish and choose one. The other thing that you can do is at the top, if you know which coffees that you are looking for, you can sort them by the titles or the price if you wish, but usually you'll just search for the title. So say I want the Whistledown coffee, I can type that and it'll pop up so that you don't actually have to scroll through the 109 available options that we have. You just want to be able to add at least 3 coffees to your flight. You'll see them up at the top, but we'll just add another one of those just so that we can get to 3. So once you've had have at least 3 coffees in your cart, you'll see the view box come up at the bottom of your screen. If you click on that, it'll tell you what you've got in your flight and give you the totals. If you don't want to add any extras, you can add up to 6. You just then click complete. It'll take a little second to build your box up for you in the background. Just be a little patient. It will come up, and then you'll be able to go ahead and continue shopping if you wanted any other items, or you can go straight to checkout from there. But you'll see your bundle discount there on that, and then you can go to checkout from there.